Good day guys, welcome back to the channel. With me today is Immaculate Car Wash, and I'm proud to say that they will be my official sponsor going forward. So today we're gonna spend time here and capture as much as we can regarding how they go about washing cars. Please do follow them on Instagram as well as on TikTok and on Facebook.
Yeah, we're on Facebook as well.
Okay.
Immaculate_cover.
Yeah, I will leave the link in the description below.
Right there.
And maybe thingy there.
Something down there.
But yeah, anyway guys, enjoy the video and please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more content, and you're gonna see me operating more with these guys. So yeah, cheers and enjoy.
Straight out the concrete jungle, mom will never be humble. I like to hit it and not do cuddles. I got a wet now, she drip like puddles. Sick nigga like Corona, yeah I'm the shit, you can smell the aroma. I get lit like a stove dust. I'm a hot nigga, still the coldest. I go crazy for the bread, I'm donuts. If you catch me on one, I'm low-key. They say know me, but they don't know me. Been a while since I've been this focused. Never lose my mind, even if it's COVID. Check me on the ground, man, I'm way too potent. Came a long way from Jodis. I don't take nobody's orders.
Living in a city where we ask you what the time is, then your wrist gets snatched. One in a clip, that's one innocent, all for a Christmas basket. Me, I done lived in the madness. See my own friend in a casket. Bad girl won a beauty pageant, now she a full-time Instagrammer. Tinder matches, showing ass and titties to the masses. Daughter of a pastor, dating gangsters, 1K stashed in a mattress. She don't want a pussy clap boy, no. Semi-automatic in a Gucci bag. When shit pop off, it's like a movie, man. Playing Duck Duck Goose when they start the blast.
Never went to college, but I talk like a scholar. Flared the Fresh Prince, I'm here to take your mama. Never rap product, cause we got my own designer. You don't know a trip if you never rock plumber. I be on the white, got the power like a bummer. This is more life, could deal without sun. Niggas like to talk, where the money at? We be in the fit with some bros, some cognac. Shawty want sauce, I don't fuck with a Zodiac. Shawty want love, but I really can't show that. Whoa, yeah. Whoa, yeah. You already know this, man.
See we act like animals, out for the beef, my niggas straight cannibals. Like Hannibal Lecter, you will not survive here, you are just not that compatible. Either you a predator or get chewed up, spit out for the vultures to feast on. If you a bummer cloud, be gone, when the night comes to black like Vietnam.
You don't know. Hey baby, what's good? I see you in a good mood. I can tell by the way you flicking your hair, moving that body, and you being nice to me. I made you turn on. I should admit what we feeling is strong. So let me buy you a drink and it's chill. Or you preferring that body to body? I knew that you eyed me since I came along.
On my mind, remind me it's time to unwind. Everything gon' be just fine. Lay it all on the floor, drop down, we in some more. Don't care what people say, we're living for today. Cause I've been waiting in anticipation for this, you know. Walked out the door, left my words on the floor. Car parked outside, hop up in that ride.
can't get enough. Man, is it love or is it just me and you? Cause what I'm feeling right now is really coming from above. Right now I'm stuck, it's just me, Hennessy, and you. And the thoughts of us not losing each other, cause I really want us to last forever. Light as a feather, intoxicated with your love. To tell it the truth, I just can't get enough. Was it just this in the biggest the visions I see is you being with me like
Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Fill up my cup. Bottomless drinks in the back of the bar. We pour it up. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. Fill up my cup. Bottomless drinks in the back of the bar. We pour it up.